Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing the Sephora Play unboxing. It's the time of the month again where we get our subscription boxes. So yeah, let's get started. When you open the box, it looks like this. This is the bag that it comes with. It says glow your own way. It also comes with this card where, you know, like every month you get 50 Beauty Insider points whenever you go to Sephora. Open it. It tells you the products that you are going to get. Let's open the bag. Okay, so first thing I see in here is this Verb Ghost Oil. It says Argan, Moringa, Shine and Smooth. So I think this is an oil for your hair because it says weightless hair oil. So I definitely need something for my hair. Oh, this is actually a pretty good size. Yeah, so that's that. Next thing I see in the bag is this Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion. So I've already tried this before. This is actually one of my first primers when I started doing makeup. Let's see which one we got. So yeah, it's the purple one. So this is actually a really good primer. So next one is the Josie Maran Surreal Skin Argan Finishing Balm. So it looks like this. This is, not sure what this is. It says Etheric. I don't know if that's the shade called. Looks like this. Let me read about it real quick so that we know where to put that. Okay, so this is actually a primer. So it says here that this is one of a kind cream, gives skin a soft focus luminosity whether you use it as a primer or a finishing touch. So I believe it's more like a primer just because it's like a cream. So okay, so next one in the box is this What's Up. How do you say that? What's? Because it's just W-A-P-T-S. So What's Up? I don't know. So this is a highlighter from Benefit. I haven't tried this one, so we're gonna try it right now since I'm not wearing any highlighter on my face. If you hear somebody eating, that's my dog Blair, because she decided to eat now that I'm filming. So this is how it looks like. It's so cute, you guys. And here, let me swatch it. Ooh, that actually looks really nice. So I'm just gonna try it out real quick. So that actually looks pretty good. That actually looks pretty good. I mean, it's not really all blended out, but it looks good. The next one in the box is this Glam Glow Mega Illuminating Moisturizer. I love getting one of these. Okay, so last thing in the box is this Atelier cologne. Never heard of this brand before, but we're gonna try it. So if you guys have been watching my videos, like my past unboxing videos, you guys know that I love receiving cologne or perfume samples from this box, just because I could just take it anywhere. I take it to work or whatnot, and it's just really nice to have it in your purse. So this looks pretty cool, looks very fancy. Twisty cologne. This smells really good. So I'm sorry you guys, but I'm not very good in describing scent, but it smells very fresh, very springy and summery smell, if you guys know what I mean. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. Okay guys, so that's it for my Sephora play unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please let me know down below if you guys like this kind of videos. I'm sorry if it's too short, but there's nothing really to say about these products. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys next time.